Hello, today I'll show you how to look for an online game in 7 Days to Die. First, go and join a game. Then, you will have to set up filters. You can either set up a server name to look by. You can change the region to whichever one you like. You can choose language. You can enable easy anti-cheat and sanctions. For example, EAC disabled and ignores sanctions, or EAC enabled and enforces sanctions, and everything in between. As you can see, you can choose: is it password protected? How many free slots? How many players? Currently, how many max players? You can set up everything right here. Here is general settings, basic settings, multiplayer settings, advanced settings. As you can see, everything that you have in creating your single player world is here, so you can look for the perfect server for you. You can also reset the filters if you are feeling a bit lost in what you made, or maybe you want to search something other than what you just set up. You can also connect to IP. If your friend has a friend or a community that you know have posted a IP and port, you can simply connect directly to the server. When you are ready, simply start the search. As you can see, we looked up many different servers, and as you can see, for example, we can join this PvP arena in the US. If we can also look up everything in this server, about the server. We can press connect. I won't do this, but if you press connect, you will simply be loaded into the world. You can from here also connect to IP from here, and if you want to change your filters, you can always go and press new search. If you want to back out of this menu, simply go back, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.